excited to be in Mostaganem with Access and Plus teachers from across Algeria because we're trying to put in place a program where we can give teachers the real skills that they need to make a difference in their communities. World Learning's mission in Algeria is to expand the capacity of the education system to meet young people's needs, to have success in the workforce, in their future studies, in their future in general. A very important skill for them to have is English.
All the teachers gathered from around Algeria teaching Plus and Access. We've learned, not just by lectures, we actually practice those techniques and we put ourselves in the shoes of the students so that knowing what the students feel gives us an idea on how to teach them.
It's my first training actually, and I'm so glad to have participated in because I've been learning so much.
For me, it was a new training, the training that brought new things to my knowledge. It added to my knowledge, it added to my skills. The training and the learning of the techniques that we saw with the trainers, there was fun, there was engaging activities, things that did not turn us disappointed or frustrated or tired.
We've been implementing Access and Plus programs in Algeria. With the support of the US Embassy, we've been looking very closely at teacher needs. And teachers around the world need high-quality teaching skills, and that's one thing that World Learning has done around the world, over 80 years. But we want to take our experience and adapt it for the Algerian context.
What we have learned mainly here is it ranges from lesson planning to implementing the plan in the classroom, a lot of techniques, okay, so starting from warming ups, reaching so the productivity, fluency techniques, production techniques, and all these are really useful in classrooms.
One thing I would like to highlight here is using the ELC. So the ELC is a very effective tool in our daily life, not to mention the English lessons. So it keeps us always in the progress. So there's always something new, there's always room for progress and improvement.
We were taught how to receive and give feedback in a correct way. They initiated me to how I can manage to make a lesson plan correctly and how my students will not notice how I do pass from one step to another, so the lesson will pass smoothly and correctly and everybody will be happy.
The participants who were with me, the other teachers, I was astonished of how intelligent they were. And also I am in awe of the capabilities and the skills of the teachers. And not only this training, the BP TESOL Training Pro, not only was it fruitful for my professional level and my personal level, but also it was very fun and we had a lot of fun doing it.
I learned how to be a dynamic and energetic teacher, which I lacked. I am going to set smart objectives, which is the great thing, and it was, I think, the principal thing in this course.
So you don't learn only from the content of the training, also from the method of presenting the training. If I continue with this training, I'm going to acquire more and more.
I think I will put into question and look again in everything I do, and I've been armed for this.
At the end of all, I would like to say thank you so much for World Learning and the US Embassy for giving us the opportunity, not just to learn and improve ourselves, but also to share information and experiences among teachers. Thank you so much.
We'll be sending our team to go out, coach teachers in real classrooms with real kids, and see them making a difference back in their communities. At the end of this, they get a high-quality professional certificate because they're showing high-quality professional skills. So the program is adapted for the Algerian context. With online support, these teachers are coming from Tamanrasset to Annaba, over into the mountains that are hard for people to come together and train, so we'll go to them. So this is a long-term investment of time. The Embassy has given us the support to start this adventure, and we look forward to delivering real results.